Imagine a world where technology can understand not just your words, but also the emotions behind them. This isn't science fiction, it's the exciting reality of emotional AI. Emotional AI, also known as affective computing, is revolutionizing how we interact with machines. By enabling computers to recognize, interpret, and even simulate human emotions, we're entering a new era of empathetic technology. From healthcare to marketing, emotional AI is transforming industries and redefining what's possible. This technology goes beyond simply recognizing basic emotions like happiness or sadness. It can detect subtle nuances in facial expressions, tone of voice, and even physiological signals to gauge a person's true emotional state. Imagine a virtual assistant that can sense your frustration during a technical difficulty and respond with patience and understanding. Or consider a healthcare AI that can detect early signs of depression in a patient's voice, enabling timely intervention.
Emotional AI relies on a powerful combination of technologies to decipher the complex language of human emotions. Facial recognition software analyzes micro-expressions, those fleeting facial movements that reveal true feelings even when someone is trying to mask them. Voice analysis delves into the tone, pitch, and cadence of speech to identify emotional cues. Natural language processing, or NLP, helps AI understand the emotional subtext in written communication, such as social media posts or customer reviews. Sentiment analysis, a key component of NLP, goes a step further by determining the overall emotional tone of a piece of text. Is a customer review positive, negative, or neutral? Is a social media post expressing excitement, anger, or sarcasm? Emotional AI can provide valuable insights into these questions, helping businesses understand their customers better and tailor their interactions accordingly.
The applications of emotional AI are vast and rapidly expanding. In healthcare, it's being used to improve patient care and diagnosis. Imagine an AI-powered system that can analyze a patient's facial expressions during a telehealth consultation to detect signs of pain or discomfort that might otherwise go unnoticed. Emotional AI can also assist therapists in identifying subtle emotional shifts in patients, leading to more personalized and effective treatment plans. In marketing, emotional AI is revolutionizing how brands connect with consumers. By analyzing social media sentiment, companies can gain valuable insights into how their products and services are perceived